Hello and welcome to the Atlantic Candlepin Singles Tour Class A Northern Conference. Last minute match today. It's the 5th seed, Steve Poulin, the home bowler, taking on the visiting bowler, Ryan Overhaul, Southall, the 9th seed. Bowling 5 strings for 14 points, 2 points to win for a string, 1 for a tie, 4 for total. Steve is the home bowler. He's bowling second. Ryan Southall will lead off out of Riverwalk Lanes, Amesbury, Mass. The record of 93 and 89. Steve coming in at 182. Top 8 make the playoffs. Ryan is slumping due to injuries. Trying to get back on track. He goes right and breaks up 8. Not a hit in it as it fell from behind. 5-9. A sea of wood. They're going side by side actually, which wasn't scheduled to do that way, so it's going to be a quicker match now. So Poulin grabs 8. It's fair. Good start for him. Southall, that goes, matching spare. Good start. Scores on the screen every 5 boxes. Here's Poulin on the bonus. Beautiful ball, bombs away, baby, strike. Southall 7, 17 through 1. What a start for the bowlers. Southall, robbed. And right on for a 10. Poulin almost a double strike. Another chance to 6-10. Once again, Southall off to the right, just 4. $38 plus next to ball here for Poulin already. The first 2 boxes. Try to make it 40 through 2. No, ski ball shot. It is 38 through 2 in the strike 8. Southall missed everything. Steve 3 for 3 in the head pin, gets a 9 that time. 47 through 3. And Ryan takes an 8. 34 through 3. The 5 seed, the 9 seed here. Beautiful Bowl-O-Rama in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. All Grid live on the ACST Facebook page. Last minute match, side by side. Boy, another head pin hit. Bowling well of late, the 5th seed. Was 9th for a while ago. Now Ryan's the 9th. 4 and the 10 split. Southall, strike! Each have 1 strike. Steve 4 for 4 in the head pin, his first split. He sent it over. He does! What a shot for a spare! 57 the ball through 4. Another head pin hit. No, not this time. Missed left. 1-9-10. 7 to fill. Southall back in the pocket. 2-4-5. Triangle. He's on a strike. Poulin's fill is 7. 64 through 4. Oh, what a try. Southall back to back. Spare after a strike. 54 through 4, 64 on the ball through 5. Poulin 8, 72, 64. Southall 9 to take the lead. Try and get up with the score sheet real quick. Do a manual scoring here also. Get them as soon as I can. Now they switch sides. Southall 9 to take the lead. Get 6. Make it 7. Make it 8. No head pin hit. A split. 7 to 9. Pins are flying here. They usually do. Poulin's 5. Ryan's fill is 8. So it's 72. 73-72. Poulin up 1. Southall from the mark. He got it! Great shot for a spare. 3 in a row. 82 in the ball through 6. Poulin connects for a spare himself. 83 in the ball. 83-82. Both on spares. Poulin up by 1. What a start. Haven't kept my scoreboard yet. Southall pocket shot. Rolling for 9. Maybe 10. It's 8. 2 leading to the 4. Won't go. Poulin off to left. 6. Southall from the mark. Bang! 4 in a row. 89 through 6. 99 the ball through 7. Poulin 1 of the 10. He had 3 in a row. He's at 90 through 6. Nice 10. 100 through 7. Southall. Ryan has the lead actually 199 plus a ball. I'll try to get caught up my score sheet. I'll get up after the string is over. So Steve 99, Southall 100 a ball. On the right side, bounces 7, not bad. Another good fill. 107-99 up 8. Just 3 for Poulin. Southall missed that time. Poulin, it's a Paul Grant shot. Southall at 10. Poulin a 7. Ryan has the lead on the road. Still working the score sheet. I'll get to you folks after the string's over. Last minute match. Ryan, another head pin in. Wobbling 8. 5 middle, 6 to the right. So we can kick it over. Poulin, he's got a 2-1 split. I'm going to squish this line. Yeah, I'm stuck up there. That's all right. Southall, not this time. Poulin, 7-9. Good luck with this one. And Southall, another 10. Second 10, the last 3, 116. Actually, make that 127 for him. He's got 3 10s in the string back to back. 127 through 9. Poulin at 8. He's at 114 through 9 with 110 in the string. So Ryan, more than likely, without a double strike from Poulin, will get the first 2 points. Points he needs to get that final wild card spot. Electrifying start, 6-7 split. Poulin off track, and Ryan has the first 2 points. Southall, nothing there. Trying to get to 136 at least. Good start. Poulin almost trying to get to 124 in a losing effort. Ryan taps the wood for 9. How about a 136 opening string for Ryan? Overhaul Southall. Steve trying to get to 124. We must stop by rule. Ready to roll. Connects for a 10. Now a second 10 in the string. 136, 124. A great start for the Bowlers. Let's get the scores on the screen finally. As I'm caught up. Great start for the Class A Northern Conference Bowlers. Steve had the early lead. Ryan came right back with 4 in a row and wins at 136, 124. Steve had 1 strike, 3 spares. Ryan 1 strike and 4 spares. Second string on the way. Poulin rolling the wrong way. The 5. Want to go right turn Clyde. Southall on the left side, 2. The 4 and 8. Side-by-side match. 18-week season winding down. Ends mid-May. Players to follow. Poulin missed it. Southall missed right. Pushes down the 9. I think. No. 1, 2, 7, 9. And Poulin not there again for a 9 to start the second and 5. Southall, what a shot. Oh, the ball rolls back and forth. Nice out for a 9. Tied in the string. Southall's up 12 in the match. What a great start in a last-minute match. And it's side by side. Poulin rocks left, 7. Ryan 1, 2, 8 beyond the 2, 10 right corner. Second box, second string. Portsmouth, New Hampshire, Bowl-O-Rama. What a place to bowl. Poulin, no again. 10-pin not cooperating. 9th seed Ryan Southall missed inside the 1. 1, 8, 10. The 5th seed Steve Poulin gets to go this time for a 10. 19 through 2 in the second of 5. Ryan, nice out for a 9. Poulin takes a 1-pin lead in the string. But Ryan's up 11 in the match. All right, so we get these comments now. My comments aren't coming up on the screen for some reason, folks. I apologize. So we can get those. He's ball there. It's a thunderous strike. Second strike of the match. Southall over second strike. Too far right. Sweeps 8. 1 of the 9. Poulin 2 spares. Correction, 3 spares, 2 strikes in the match. Southall. Oh, that ball's bouncy ball. Taps the wood for a 10. 29-28. Poulin up 1 in the string, down 11 in the match. He's on a strike to cut it close to even. I got Steve Poulin's phone. Look at the comments here. Yeah, I'm keeping score, Nico. Last minute, Nick Norcross slow. O.J. Martin, watch low. Owen. Candlepin against Rollus. Hopefully mix Rollus. Hopefully September, October this year down there. Derek Bank on Bankus watching. Hello, Derek. Poulin. Oh, big break. The 2 and 10 collapse somehow. Huge break, also double strike. Southall going right for 6. Make it 7. Pins are caffeinated today. 1, 2 in the 9. Poulin for a spare. He got it with the 1. Spare and strike. 39 through 3. 49 the ball through 4. Southall now will trail in the match more than likely. Ryan at 10. 38 through 4. They're going side by side, 1 string, non-stop. Poulin, beautiful ball, 9 again. 58 through 4, Southall, pocket shot, 2 in the 7, split. To the mark, bang! Southall missed again. So Ryan's up to 68 and the ball through 5. He's got 3 marks in a row. Southall 9, no mark, 47.5. Good pinning. The Poulin is a 21-pin lead plus the ball in the string. He's down. Let's see, he was down 12 after 1, so he's up to 21 right now. So he's up 9 in the match plus the ball. Almost caught up my score sheet here, folks. Southall gets the pockets. Well, big break. Moving down to 2-4-7. How about that? 9-10. What the hell? Poulin on the mark. With a pocket shot. He's feeling it. Check mark left. 74 half. Southall got this one to go on the board in the second. 4 spares, 1 strike in the match for the 9th seed. Won the first, 136-124. Down here in the second, down in the match. Poulin, not this time. Streak starts at 3. $74.5 for the 6 fill, 10 in the box. 84 through 6 seconds, string of 5. Ryan 57 the ball through 6. Okay, let's try to get these scores up. Finally caught up. Wild pace. Ryan with a big one. Hits the pocket. Strike! Wow, these pins are going crazy. Poulin first strike. He's got it! Look at them go! Ryan, a big 20, 67 through 6, 77, plus 2 in the 7th. Poulin, second strike of the string, 3rd in the match. Ryan, second strike of the match. Steve, 94, plus 2 in the 7th. Ryan with a banana split. Where's Casey McCool of Lakeside Lanes? Always hungry, always growling. Poulin, beautiful ball. Another strike, yes! Unbelievable, double strike, wow! Southall trying to spin it over, wrong side. 7 in the strike. $84 through 7. Actually, I think they came out of the channel. Let's see how they score it. Meanwhile, Steve Poulin, 114 plus bonus balls in the 7th and 8th boxes of the second string. This is nuts. Ryan was a 10 officially, so 94 it is through 8. And Steve on his way to a 2-2 tie in points. Ryan trying to get a strike himself back. Rolls 9, 10. How about that one? What is going on here in Portsmouth? 104 plus 2 9. The pins are on steroids. Poulin for triple strike. 9, 10. He's got 3 strikes in a row. Crazy. 114 through 7. 134 plus 2 in the 8th. 144 on the ball in the 9th. Southall 7. 147 on a strike. Thank you very much. Poulin for 4 in a row. Coming back for more. It's 8. 28 in the second part of the triple strike box. 142 through 8. Ryan denied. Now 152 in the ball. Spirit triple strike. Nico highlight reels galore. 162 through 9. 172 in the 10th. Plus 1. Insanity in Portsmouth. Ryan at 10. 1, 2, 3 string. After a strike 9. Poulin for 180. He gets 9. 181 season high for the ACST. Wow, wow, wow. And this is the last minute match. Lost 136, 124. How about 181 to 123? And Ryan's got 259. He's down big in total.
I didn't share the Candlepin chat.
That is incredible.
I got 259.
305 to 259 after 2. Incredible. That's some fine bowling by Poulin. The power of the triple strike. 181 is correct. Last year, Joey Lister, the freight train, number 2 seed, the Candlepin against the top 5 show, May 3rd, had a 166 and 144, 310 his final 2. Against Bruno DeFeo, week 1, in a 14-0 sweep. Poulin starts the middle string, 2 in the 7, side-by-side match. Southall trying to fight back, it's 9. I've lost track of all the head hits and splits, sorry guys. It's been nuts. Poulin for the mark, field goal. Ryan's down 46 in the match after a 136 and a 129. Trying to creep back in it, missed it. No kickback this time on the ball. A lot of crazy ricochet shots with spares also, and strikes. Poulin, a Paul Grant special, missed the second, make the third. Never a good time for that. But after 3:05 through 2, I'm sure you could take that one for a change. 10 through 1, and Ryan a 9. No time for a sip of water. It's been crazy here. Poulin back in the pocket, feeling it today. The home bowler, 3, 5, and a 10. On lane 12, back to 11. Southall, 9, 10, strike. What the heck is going on here today? 19 plus 2. Poulin denied again, but here comes the wood rolling back when it turns the wrong way. This is awesome. This is Class A, folks, Class A. Steve, 3:05 after 2. 124, 181. Ryan Southall, 136, 123. 2 points apiece. The 5 seed, the 9 seed. Duking it out in Portsmouth at Bowl-O-Rama. Poulin a 10, 2 10s. 20 through 2 in the middle string. Scott Lafayette watching. John Aloha watching. The coach, Lane Britton, bring back the coach to Class C. Ryan Hogan, Hoagie watching. Poulin splitting, 2-1. Southall on the strike. Lucky 7 in a sense. 1, 2, 8 behind the 2. Third box, third string. Poulin trying to send it over. Not this time. Southall for Mark. Got it! Spare and strike! 19, making 29 through 2, 39, the ball through 3. Here comes Overhaul, Southall. Poulin 9. Steve Poulin, 29 through 3, his father. Nominated for the Hall of Fame class of 2027. .195, I believe, is the Class A record for Class A, if I'm not mistaken. Southall bombs away, baby! Strike, spare, strike! Wow! Gotta love Portsmouth. 49 through 3, 59 plus 2 through 4. Sizzling. Poulin, no. And here comes Ryan. The Ryan Express. Poulin, good pitting at 10, 39 through 4 without a mark. You get a 181 and no marks in the last 5 boxes going back to that 9th box last string. He had bookend 9s. In that second, he had a triple strike and a strike earlier. 4 strikes in the second string, 1 in the first. Poulin on the nose. There's another strike. 6 strikes to match in 25 boxes. Southall, look at this one. 7 to 10. No wood, no luck on a strike. But the way these guys are bowling, you never know. Oh, both bowlers thought he had it. 8 in the strike, 67 through 4. In the ocean, no good for an 8. 75 half. Halfway through this exciting side-by-side match. The Atlantic Candlepin Singles Tour, Class A, Northern Conference, Paul Grant Live on the ACST Facebook page, Bowl-O-Rama, Route 1, Portsmouth, New Hampshire. 22 shiny, bright, beautiful lanes, a full arcade. Bring your family, bring your friends. Tons of birthday parties here, corporate events. wedding venues and holiday parties. Bowl-O-Rama, Route 1, Portsmouth, New Hampshire. If you missed it earlier, catch the rebroadcast later today on YouTube on Candlepin Bowling Network. Hit subscribe. It's free. Why not? Somebody put a pro action over 1,850 videos, over 4,300 subscribers. Something for everyone. Candlepin Bowling Network on YouTube. Please subscribe free. Switching sides. Southall 3. Poulin's on his 6th strike fill of the match. Three, 6, wobbling 10. He's trying to will it down. 7 left, not listening. On a strike. Southall almost stole that one. 3-pin holes on lane 12, back to 11. You guys had a good time chirping with each other, having a good time. Great respect for each other, the way it should be. Poulin with the wood. Got it! Spare on strike. Southall joints it for a 9. 84 through 6. Steve, 59 at the half, 69 the ball. 59 at the half, 69 the ball through 6. And Jess O'Brien makes a run. Poulin has a big 20. Southall, look at this one. Wow. That wow. 6, 9, 10, 7, 8. My goodness. Poulin on the left side this time. Only 4. What's wrong with him? 73 through 6 in the third of 5. Southall with the wood. Oh, almost got it. That was some kind of a shot. Poulin got the 8 out of the way. 4 hooks from the post. Ryan, 9. 93 through 7 in the third. Side-by-side match. Poulin. This is the 1-7-10 high-low jackpot. I call it the Augusta, Maine special of Mark Carrier, the 1-7-10 Sportsman, Augusta, Maine. Why not? A spare 4 and a 7 after a strike. 80 through 7, 2 strings after this. Which was 10 strings with the Poulin today. Michael Izzo, good to see you. Karen, Jeff Cutting, hello. Southall center check mark. Poulin on the head pin again. It's 9. 9 pin left up. Decks are slick today, that's for sure. Southall for mark, off the mark. Poulin, spare. 90 to ball through 8. Southall 10. 103 through 8. 2 blocks to go, then 2 strings to wrap up the side-by-side last minute high-octane match. Day off tomorrow. Go to Westport to get this layout for the main states this weekend on Candlepin Bowling Network. And Thursday, ACST action with Dino Dallas and Bob Allard at Butwell's Bowling Center, Copenhagen, 11:30 at 12 o'clock in noontime. Southall 1-9. Poulin on the bonus. 8. Maybe 9, maybe 10. 6 out of notion. Holds up. 98. 98. He's only down 5 right now. Southall spare. After 4 in a row without one, gets one there to keep pace. Poulin. All robbed. And Ryan has a chance to go up 4 points to 2. What a terrific exhibition this is today. Steve lost the first, 136-124. He won the second, 181. 181 to 123, 305 to 259. Late in the third, 9, 107 to 9. So Ryan right now is up 113, 107 plus the ball. Southall left side, just 3. Nikolai, saw the bracket of Maine States. I'm going to put that up tomorrow. When I have more time, tonight. 116 through 9. Poulin needs a mark. Has a chance. 4 middle, 7 left, 8 right. Wood between the 4 and the 8. Southall wood between the 1 and the 3. What a shot. That won't go. Or will it? No. Poulin needs it. Poulin gets it. 117 of the ball in the 10th, making it interesting. Southall needs him. He gets the ball. And a Poulin grand special. No, it wasn't. He made some seconds. Did he get that one? A 10, 126. And now Steve can actually tie it with a 9. Winner with a strike. He gets a strike! Incredible! Wow! 7 strikes in 3 strings. This is nuts! And he wins the string by 1. Wow! Who is this guy? There may be a drug test after the match. 127, 126. A thriller in Portsmouth. Wow. How about 432 through 3? Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, right there up there on the screen.
432 to 385. It's on the screen. I haven't noticed this. What's going on here? This is absolutely insane. The Main State HCST season, 1 season only, 2023. That was the best match ever called for 5 strings. That was 686 to 685, 19 strikes combined. You guys might break that today, the way they're going. Ryan has 4, Steve has 7 strikes already. Now our 4th string underway. 8 in the 10 for Poulin. Ryan 1, 2, 4, 6, 10 right. We can try to get those standings when we get a moment here. Up in there, Poulin home with the skee ball. The 50 to 100 shot. And Woodside, save it Friday night. Southall right back with a spare to start the 4th. Poulin a 9. Yeah, having a good old time up there. You just got to tip you out when someone throws a 181. Poulin, right side, 7. Could we see a 700 today? Southall, next ball, 8, 9, maybe 10. Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. 19 through 1 on the 4th to 5. Great opportunity with 2 pieces. Poulin for a spare. No, thought he had it. Back to back for Southall to start the 4th. 29 the ball through 2. No quitting this guy. Up to date total 449 to 414 for Poulin. That's through 2 boxes in the 4th string. And Ryan's on a spare. Poulin at 8, 17 through 2. Crossing over, it's going to be 8, 7 to 9. Wood rolling around. Overhaul, Southall on the crossover. Spare 9, spare 8. 3 in the 6, going with 3 in a row. He had 4 in a row in the 1st. 37 through 2 in the 4th. Up 20 in the string. Poulin. Oh, wow, what a shot for a spare. Add that to your highlight reel, Nico. 27 in the ball through 3. Masterful. Southall missed right for 3 in a row. Has the feeling of the world singles here, the worlds, or mixed worlds. Ryan ricochets for 9. 46 through 3. Rebroadcast a must-see on Candlepin Bowling Network on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button, it's free. A sport for any age, Candlepin Bowling, it's unbelievable. Get the word out. Anybody can bowl at any age. Poulin slips and still gets 8 as the wood barrels around. That's on his spare, 35 through 3. Southall, 1 of the 9. Poulin for back-to-back. No. Not happy with that shot. Southall into the mark. Up the wall. Oh, so close. Stephen 8, 43 through 4. Remember, it's 39 through 4 without a mark, and then went wild. Get to 127. Including a big 20 to win it by 1 from Ryan. Southall 9, 55 through 4 in the fourth. Ryan's up 12 in the string. Down 35 in the match. Steve's up 4 points to 2. Poulin, another good ball. That's a strike. It's only 8. 4 in the 10. Southall looking for mark. 1-3. 9 behind the 3 and the 10. Wood in front between the 1 and 3. 1 behind. Steve trying to use that wood in the middle. Or we go for the pin. Let's go for the wood. I almost got it. Southall for a mark. Buries it. 65 in the ball at the half. 3 spares. Poulin at 10. 53 at the half. 15 blocks to go. And it's wild and crazy. Side by side. Class A Northern Conference match at Bowl-O-Rama in Portsmouth. On the Battle of the Sexes, May 18th. Hosted by Bob Allard. Catch your breath, folks. They're taking a little breather. Why not? One of the best matches you'll see for sure. That's through three. That's through 3 strings, folks. 432 to 385. That's through 3. Now they switch sides every 5 boxes. Ryan on 12, Poulin on lane 11. Can Ryan come all the way back for total? Pin hit right. 1, 2, 7, 9, 10. 5 in the fill. 70 half. Up 17 in the string. Down 24 in the match. Closing in. Poulin 2 perfect. Spread eagle throwing the 8 behind the 2. He had a spare 8 in the third. Only mark. Believe it or not. Southall missed number 1. The Wood stole it, but can't get the corner post. And Wood out of play. Poulin, almost got that one. That would have been something. Here comes the Wood behind. Taps it. Won't fall. And Poulin gets a 10. Back-to-back 10, 63 through 6 in the fourth of 5. What a match. This is like a roller coaster. It's been just exciting. It's been fun, hasn't it?
It's been fun, but I think more later on.
This could be one of the funnest matches Ryan may lose today, but he still can win. 10 points. 385 through 3. Steve 432 through 3. Steve's like, thanks, made the trip for nothing. Ryan at 8, 78 through 8. Ryan's up 15 in the string. He's pulled, well, snap back to 31 now for Poulin. 194 to 463. They're calming down here in the fourth. I think, at least so far. Ryan did have 2 spares to start. I've lost track of all the stats, all the marks. We'll get that recap later on, hopefully. I need Bob Allard to help me out here.
First time you missed a head pin?
I lost track of the head pins, so.
Well, he's been on it.
It's tough when it's side by side. Southall, what a try, won't go. Seems like I would have made that shot. He's teasing Ryan. Southall, wood shooter 10. A good ball goes to the pin, Ryan. A good ball goes to the pin. 88 through 7. Poulin goes to the short 2 for a 9. 72 through 7. Steve's a 115 league bowler, 182 high single, high triple 455, high 5 650. Ryan's a 112 league bowler, high single 178, high triple 448, high 5 674. And there's a strike. If I'm not mistaken, that's 5 for him. Poulin's got 6 or 7. Lost count. Ryan 98 plus 2 in the 8th. Fourth string. Poulin. Oh, what a try that was. Gave it a ride. And Ryan had a 28-pin lead in the fourth box of that third string, and Ryan lost it by one. Steve went big down the stretch. Poulin 9, just 70. Actually, it's 79 through 8. I'm off my scoreboard here, so I'll fix that. Must have had someone come on the channel before. So anyway, it's 79 nonetheless.
Did you give it 10?
I don't know. Bobby will fix that scoreboard in a minute.
Sounds good.
Ryan Southall just 3 on the. He's on a strike. Good bid. Collapses everything but the wobbling 4 and the 10, 8 in the fill, 106 through 8. Oh, wow, what a shot for Poulin. How about that one? 90 the ball. Officially through 9. Southall on 8, 114 through 9. All right, so we got Steve's score correct. It was 80 through 8 and the spare 90 through 9. One exciting string after this, I think. Southall, look at this. Oh, how about that one? Look at a 2-1-1 split. Poulin, look at it, Mark. He's a strike. No, Brian got the swing. How about him? 6 fill, 96 through 9. And Southall makes it 4 points apiece. Another spare. Closing it on total. 124 on the ball. The 10. And Steve Poulin, a 9. A bogus string by his standards, 105, 4th string. And Ryan trying to get to 134, the strike on spare. He's at 537 through 4. Southall 9. 133. He's at 518 through 4. 537 to 518. Pulling up by 19. 4 points apiece. 4 apiece. 1 string left. If you miss any action, go back later on tonight when Nico puts it up. Candlepin Bowling Network on YouTube. Hit subscribe. It's free. Hit the bell icon so you never, ever, ever, never, ever, never, ever, never, ever, never miss the ball when we go live.
You be here tonight?
Yeah.
Good morning, Greg Packer. It's Wednesday in Australia. Or is it Thursday or Friday, Greg? The Tornado, Tim Douglas watching. Team number 3 seed coming up the Cannabis Cancer Top 5 Live Show. Joey Lister, the 2 seed. Sean Check, number 1 seed. Poulin 8. Did not get a strike in that 4th string for the first time today. No strikes. Now a final string. Southall on the left side of the 1, 6, 1, 3, 9, 7 left. Ryan needs to win by 20 to get total. And 10 points. Wood starts over the spare.
Find the camera.
Southall is off the track. How come Steve couldn't bowl this good? The big 28 doubles came in last place out of 62 teams.
Team effort. Team effort.
So it was a team effort. His brother, him.
Yeah.
Southall, a 6.
Blame it on Dave.
Was up 23 in the match plus the ball. It looked like 700 the way he was going early on. Oh, and the bonus bombs away, baby! Strike again! Find the camera, he says. 1, 2, 6, and show off. We'll talk to the guys before we sign off, too. Let's get the scores up later on. This brings over Southall. What a shot that was! Spare! 16 of the ball through 2. Poulin rolling right for 4 on a strike. Southall on a spare. 4 points apiece. Nice pocket shot. 9-10 strike. Throw the flag. Illegal block in the back. 26 through 2. 36 plus 2 through 3 in the final string of the match. Poulin, what a try. 9 to strike. Take down the camera. 39 through 2. There have been 3 in a row. He's showboating today, for sure. All in good fun. It's meant to be a fun sport, by the way, if you didn't notice. 48 through 3. So the wins this film will get at least 6 points, and he lost a heartbreak in the third, 127, 126. Poulin back in the pocket. 2-pin, trying to fall, it does. Now it's the 4 and the 10. Southall on a strike, love a double, rolling right. 6 falls at 10, tries to fall forward into the 3, won't have it. Steve has to lead through 3 completed boxes in the string, leads the match. Early 20s. All right, use that V-shaped angle wood for a spare, lane 12. He got it! 58 in the ball through 4. They can't miss today, it seems like. Southall right back with a spare on strike. He's got 3 in a row. Spare, strike, spare. 46 through 3, 56 in the ball through 4. Unbelievable. Poulin, head pin at 7. 65 through 4 in the 5th. Southall buries the pocket. Wobbly 4, 7, 10. He's got wood to the right of the object wood in front to hopefully spin over. 7 on his spare. 63 through 4. Down 2 in the string. 21 in the match. Poulin, no. Southall trying to send it over. He got it. What a shot for a spare. 73 in the ball through 5. We might get a 20-minute highlight video for this match. Poulin at 10. 75 at the half. And he may be trailing as Southall's on a spare. Officially 74, we're told for Poulin. That's a 10, Steve, right?
Yeah.
So 75 for Poulin. So the lead is 21 of the match for Poulin. Ryan on a spare. A strike will be huge. $5 to go. Can Ryan come back and get 10 points? He let him slip away in that second.
Carry the ball on the record.
But this match sure beats caffeine, that's for sure. Woo! Awesome. Southall finds the pocket. 2, 4, 7 to 9. Wood bounces away. Takes the lead in the string. 79, 75. And another strike for Poulin. Second strike of the 5th. 85 plus 2. Southall, no! And Poulin get the lead back in the string. Southall 10, 89 through 6, $4 to go. Let's do 5 more, guys. Let's do 5 more strings. Southall, nice pocket chop and splits, 3 and 1, but it falls away again. Another one goes. Boy, a lot of sliding action today. One on another strike, Phil. Just goes right for 5. Has the lead back in the string. Ryan pretty much needs to mark out to win the match. There's one spare. He had 4 in a row, 5 out of 6, 99. The ball through 7. Poulin, oh, with a go! A breeze on the 4. Open the door, Bob Allen. Wind won't take it down. 9. After a strike, 9. 94 through 6, 103 through 7. That puts him at 640. Ryan's at 617. Plus a ball, down 20. Let's see, check that a moment. Check that a moment here.
Oh, that's 617.
617, that's right. 640, 617 total. Ryan's down 23 on a spare. Strike is huge. Jeff Charlton, hello. Southall 7. 247 90. Make it 106. 106. Magic 106.7. WMJX. Leave it out, Boucher. Bedtime Magic. 106.7. Leads 106, 103. Running back for total. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Wow. Doing the curly shuffle. Poulin, 1 of the 10. He got it. What a shot again for a spare. Bulls are killing it today. 113 in the ball in the 8th. Southall 9. 115 through 8. And now Poulin will take the lead back in this string. He more than likely has total on hand. Southall, a 6-pack. Check his ID. Poulin on the bonus. Trying to wrap up the total. 9, maybe. It's only 7, actually. 9's hiding behind the 3 on the overhang. 1-3 in the 9. 120 through 8. Southall got it to go, barely. 125 in the ball in the 9th. Poulin for another mark. Bang! That should do it for total, I think. 130 in the ball in the 9th. Ryan 125 in the ball in the 9th. Ryan needs to strike out for total. Beautiful ball. Check mark right. 6 on the fill. 131 through 9. Poulin's got total. Poulin up to the right. He gets 5. 135 through 9. Southall. He got another spare. He can win the string. 141 on the ball. Poulin must connect to win the string. Oh, what a try. The violet ball right behind the 7. Unbelievable. How about a 145 finale? And how about 682? Southall wins the string with 8 and takes 6 points. 149, 145. And he is a tough luck total loser. Not total loser, total in points. That didn't come out right. Right, you're not a total loser.
Sometimes I am.
He's a total loser. he throws a 667 and loses. Wow, 682 to 667. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. That didn't come out, Ryan. Believe me. It's not what I meant. Want to get away? He lost the total, I meant to say. Oh my goodness, this is wild. That was awesome. Let's try to get these up real quick and talk to bowlers. And all three of us try to catch our breath. I lost track of the marks on the paper. I'll try to write it down before we go, let you know. But watch the rebroadcast for sure on YouTube on Candlepin Bowling Network. A must-see match. A match for a lifetime. And that was not quite as high scoring as the main money match. I talked about the ACST final, not money match, the ACST main final. Mark Harry, Mark Webber. That is even higher scoring. They had 19 strikes combined. This one didn't quite get that high. That's on Candlepin Bowling Network, August 1st, 2023. Ryan won the first, 136, 124. Ryan gets a 120, loses by 68, as he gets an unbelievable 181, 305, 259 after 2. Steve comes behind down 26 after 4 boxes, wins at 127, 126, 432 to 385. That's up to 3. Comes down with a 105, 135 round to get it back in total, 537 to 518. And Ryan wins at 149, 145 in a wacky match. Final score, number 5 seed, Steve Poulin, 682. Number 9 seed, Ryan Overhaul Southall, 667. It'll be 8 points for Steve Poulin, 6 points for Ryan Overhaul Southall. And let's see if I can figure out the strikes here.
A lot.
Let's see, Steve had...
In a row.
Okay, so it strikes. Ryan had one in the first. Steve had one in the first. We'll talk to the bowls in just a minute. In the second string, Ryan had 2 strikes and 3 boxes. He's got 3. Steve had a triple strike and a strike early in that second. That gives him 5 strikes to 3 to Ryan. The fourth string, Ryan got 2 more strikes, so it's 5 strikes apiece. Steve got 2 strikes, so he's got 7 strikes to 5. And then this string, Ryan got 1 strike. He has 6 strikes. And Steve got 2 strikes. So Steve had 9 strikes to 5. It was 19 main money match. That was crazy. Let's talk to the guys before we sign off.
Oh, how many strikes did he have?
I have him down for 9 and you for 5.
Yeah.
Heads up.
Steve, you had 9 strikes.
Excuse me. We're not Steve.
He had 9 strikes.
14.
4 in one game.
I got 2 more splits in you. That's it.
Come on down, guys.
But it was 1 game. Come on, Ryan.
Do I have to?
Yes.
I just got my handed to me.
I don't know if you know the Yankovic video I lost on Jeopardy. You're a complete loser.
Yeah, I was just today. I feel
I
like
mean, you throw a 677 and you
667 and lose by
667
15, yeah.
and you lose by 15.
yeah, hey, Steve, he poured it on the second
You got to
game.
work in your game, Ryan.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, no, he poured it on the second game. The 181 was fun to watch.
Oh, you actually won other than that. You were pretty good, right?
No, I mean he beat me, so total says he won.
That second string, he came back and won it by 1 pin. That cost you 2 points.
Yeah, I did. No, whatever. That's bad fill on my part, but I knew it was going to happen. I literally called it as I threw the ball.
You guys are giddy the whole time.
Yeah, World's teammates. That's what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're
So.
not friendly.
Let's go have fun and let's do this in Worlds too. Huh?
Okay,
Let's
hey,
go.
great battle. Steve Poulin, 9 strikes. He had 5. What a way to make a living, 9 to 5.
Yeah, I'll take that. I had the high game and the low game. But Ryan bowled awesome. He's 123 low game, 148 high game, so that's pretty consistent.
Did you slick up the
bowling.
lanes before we started? Because they were definitely juiced.
Hey, I told him to bowl earlier this morning, and it's his mistake for
And
pushing
you were
us in the
supposed to be on the lane
afternoon.
between the poles, so we had to move over there for you.
Oh, yeah.
So you can
Thank
thank
you,
Ryan and
Thanks,
Bart.
Ryan, for not the polls. Hate those polls.
Yeah. You know all about poles, huh?
Yeah, all about polls. So thanks for coming, Paul.
Hey, a
You're
3-letter
fine.
word, a great performance.
Wow.
682
Woo.
to 667. 8 points for Steve, 6 for Ryan Overhaul Southall. That'll do it from Bowl-O-Rama-Portsmouth, New Hampshire, Palgrave, San Song for now. Thanks for watching this great and wild game of Candlepin bowling on the ACST Facebook page. That was awesome.
Hey, how your hand?